Nike Air Force 1 Low Year of the Horse 2026 celebrates a major milestone as Nike's Chinese New Year series prepares to complete its second full cycle. Since 2002, Nike has turned the Chinese zodiac into one of the biggest annual sneaker events, and the upcoming 2026 release continues that tradition with elevated craftsmanship. Early images reveal a premium white leather upper detailed with an intricate embossed heel pattern, paired with a red mini swoosh stitched over the classic lateral logo. Subtle multicolor accents appear throughout the back tab and tongue tag, giving the sneaker a vibrant, festival-inspired touch. A metal top eyelet and a custom horse-shaped lace dubrae reinforce the Year of the Horse theme, adding collectible appeal for sneaker fans. Although first-look photos are not the clearest yet, official images are expected soon. The Nike Air Force 1 Low Year of the Horse is set to drop in spring 2026, likely aligning with the new zodiac year in mid-February.